We are going to learn some colors name. Orange, blue, brown, purple, yellow, pink. Say again. Pink, yellow, purple, brown, blue, orange. See, I have so many colors with me to write. We are going to write the alphabet. Yellow, green, orange, red, blue, purple. Wow! Let's start. Which letter is this? A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. After I, J. K. L. M. N. I'm going to use blue color now. Can you see? Blue. After N, we are going to write O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Now we are going to say again. A for aeroplane. B for bat. C for cat. D for duck. E for engine. F for fan. G for grapes. H for horse. I for igloo. J for joker. Hey for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for peacock. It's hue. After P, it's hue. Hue for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zigzag. Bye bye.